Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
How are you today? I hope you are fine. Today, I will present about the utilization of coconut oil as aerobic biofilter media in reducing COD and BOD concentration in slaughterhouse, wastewater or RPH. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitria Nur Hamidah, number 1019-040044, and my partner.
Hello, my name is Ela Tiara Nahesti, number 1019-040057.
In a wastewater, there must be BOD and COD content. If the value of BOD and COD in the waste is large, it can cause environmental damage. So, I want to tell you about BOD and COD. COD or chemical oxygen demand. COD or chemical oxygen demand is the amount of oxygen needed to break down all organic matter contained in water. This is because the organic matter present is intentionally chemically composed using a strong oxidizing agent, potassium bichromate, under acidic and hot condition with a silver sulfate catalyst. What is BOD or biochemical oxygen demand? BOD or biochemical oxygen demand is a characteristic that indicates the amount of dissolved oxygen required by microorganisms, usually bacteria, to decompose or decompose organic matter under aerobic conditions.
RPH is a building with a special design and construction that meets certain technical and hygiene requirements and used as a slaughterhouse that produces wastewater reaching 225 meter 3 for day on weekdays and 375 meter 3 for day before holidays. Liquid waste produced by Slaughterhouse consists mostly of mixture of water, blood, and animal waste. The high level of this pollution will have the effect of pollution the environment. So, it is necessary to treat RPH wastewater before being discharged into water bodies. The treatment technology that is in accordance with the characterization of abattoir waste is a biofilter. Biofilter is a biological waste treatment process in which microorganisms are cultured on the media so that these microorganisms are attached to the surface of the media. Many industries use manufacture biofilter media, but they are not environmentally friendly. To overcome this problem, research is carried out on the effectiveness of using coconut fiber as a more environmentally friendly biofilter media. And then the problem in the research is the BOD and COD value of the liquid waste produced from the abattoir have exceeded by quality standard of 2,413.2 mg per liter and 8,548.5 mg per liter. This can have an impact on pollution the environment if there is no treatment before being discharged into water body. Therefore, the need for environmentally friendly treatment of the liquid waste by adjusting the BOD and COD value of the liquid waste with the quality standard of the East Java Governor Regulation number 72 of 2013, where the BOD value of the liquid waste to be disposed of doesn't exceed 100 mg per liter, and COD of liquid waste to be disposed of doesn't exceed 200 mg per liter.
The action taken in this research are: the first treatment was to prepare the media consisting of wastewater, used wastewater from production activities at the Pegirian RPH Surabaya S Java, and the biofilter media used was coagulate coconut fibers and used with a size of 3 until 5 cm to form a round shape. The second treatment is seeding bacteria. Seeding bacteria is the activity of cultivating waste processing bacteria on the media that has been provided. The trick is that the wastewater is flowed into an aerobic biofilter reactor with a contact time 7 days. Microorganisms can grow faster by adding biotrophs as a starter bacteria and glucose as a food source. This activity continues until there is a biofilm formed on the media and stable processing occurs. Then the last treatment is the core experiment, which is carried out by draining wastewater in a prepared reactor. The reactor used is an open container box equipped with an aerator. The media height ratio used in this study was 60% of the volume of wastewater. There are 3 reactors with different detention times, namely 3 days, 6 days, and 9 days. COD analysis was carried out using the closed reflux method. Took oxidation by K2Cr2O7 solution, while BOD analysis was carried out using the Winkler principle method. Result. The result consists of the bacterial growth process seeding and the residual time variation experiment result. First, seeding. Seeding is the process of growing bacteria on a sticky medium. This seeding process is carried out so that biofilm formation occurs on the entire surface of the media. Observation of the growth of microorganisms can be carried out by looking at the ability of COD removal. The efficiency value that tends to increase indicates the activity of microorganisms that have grown more and more. Then it was found that COD removal efficiency on the first day of removal efficiency assay was 58.1%. This happened because there were not many microorganisms in the reactor attached to the media. After operating for 3 days, the reactor began to show its removal efficiency of 87%. After being processed, the concentration became 1,187 milligram per liter and ran stable from day 5 to day 7. The next process could be carried out. Residual time variation experiment result. There is an analysis of the concentration of COD and BOD. Analysis COD. COD concentration analysis result of COD concentration analysis based on the experiment. It was found that the COD removal efficiency with coconut fiber media was very large, reaching 90 to 24%. In contrast to without using media, where COD decreased, even though the COD removal efficiency was 18%.
Most of the biological degradation process of organic substrate take place at the interface of the biofilm with wastewater and a small part in the body of the biofilm. That means that media with a large surface area has a greater potential for COD degradation. Analysis of BOD. Levels BOD value is directly proportional to COD. The higher the COD value, the higher the BOD value, and vice versa. Based on the experience, the results are not much different from the COD analysis. The everyday, the efficiency of pollution removal increase even though the fluctuation are different. From the experience, it can be concluded that 1. Coconut fiber can be used as a biofilter media, and 2. With the addition of media as a place of the attachment for microorganisms, it can reduce the concentration which is with large compressed to without using media, and less the ability to remove the highest COD and BOD concentration was at the processing time of 9 hours with COG 94.8% and BOD of 92.24%.
Thank you for your attention.
Sorry if there are many wrong words in our presentation.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.